Lenovo IdeaPad, Slim 5 Intel Core i5 13420H14, laptop operating system, preloaded with Windows 11 Home and comes with a lifetime validity. It also includes MS Office Home and Student 2021. Memory and storage equipped with 16 GB RAM LPDDR, 5200 and a 512 GB SSD, which can be expanded up to 1 TB. It also has integrated Intel UHD graphics. Display features a 14 inches WXGA IPS display with a brightness of 300 nits. It offers anti-glare properties and intelligent sense super resolution for enhanced visuals. Designed with a thickness of just 1.69 centimeters and weighing only 1.49 kilograms, this laptop is sleek and lightweight. It boasts an all-metal body and a backlit keyboard. Battery life powered by a 56.6 battery, it offers up to 11 hours of usage. It supports rapid charging, providing 2 hours of runtime with just a 15-minute charge. Camera and audio comes with an FHD 1080p camera with an IR privacy shutter. It also features front-facing 2x2 WHD stereo speakers with Dolby Audio.